Electrolysis of water generates a significant amount of heat. Industrial chillers effectively absorb and dissipate this heat, ensuring the normal operation of components such as the electrolyzer, rectifier cabinet, and hydrogen purification equipment. Advantages include increased efficiency. Nuclear power can drive large-scale water electrolysis for hydrogen production, meaning the heat generated during electrolysis is substantial. Layer chillers utilize heat exchange technology and optimized piping design, rapidly and effectively absorbing the large amount of heat generated during electrolysis, ensuring the system temperature remains within a reasonable range. Liquefaction upon cooling. In the compressed air drying stage of hydrogen production, compressed air contains a large amount of water vapor, requiring a low-temperature chiller for condensation and moisture removal. Layer constant temperature. Chillers provide cooling water to lower the temperature of the compressed air, causing the water vapor to condense into water, which is then discharged through a drain valve. Cooling and temperature reduction. In the hydrogen cooling stage, the hydrogen produced by the reaction needs to be cooled to prevent excessive heat from causing the reaction to run away. Constant temperature chiller can provide low temperature cooling water to cool hydrogen and keep the reaction temperature within a controllable range.